Hi, my name's Alyssa and I'm a population health nutritionist from Southwestern Sydney Local Health District Health Promotion Service. Welcome to week 6 of the Everyday Cooking program. Today we'll be making quesadillas with salsa. Young children can sometimes be fussy eaters. It's important to encourage your child to try new foods and not give up after just a few tries. Children often need to try new foods around 10 to 15 times before they like or accept it. Some quick tips to help your child try new foods could include allowing them to look, touch, and smell a new food to become more familiar with it. Offer new foods alongside foods your child already likes and commonly eats. And lastly, congratulate your child when they try something new, even if it's just a small amount. Keep these tips in mind next time you cook something new for your child. Now, let's get cooking.
For today's recipe, we need 5 whole grain tortillas, 1 tin of tuna or 425 grams, 1 tin of corn kernels or 410 grams, 1 red capsicum, 1.5 cups of light grated cheese, 2 tomatoes, quarter red onion, quarter bunch coriander, 1 lime, and an option of adding half an avocado. First, to prepare our ingredients. We will start by preparing the salsa. For the salsa, dice 2 tomatoes, finely dice quarter of an onion, finely dice quarter bunch of coriander, cut 1 lime in half, and if you're using an avocado, roughly dice up half. In a bowl, combine the ingredients for the salsa. Juice both halves of the lime by squeezing it in between your hands. You can also use a juicer if you have one. Stir to combine the salsa ingredients and set aside. To prepare our ingredients for the quesadilla filling, seed and dice the capsicum. In a bowl, combine the ingredients for the quesadilla filling. 1 tin of drained tuna, 1 tin or 400 gram drained and rinsed corn kernels, and the diced capsicum. Using a spoon, mix until well combined and set aside. To begin cooking the quesadillas, turn the pan onto a medium heat. Evenly grease the pan with a spray oil and place 2 to 3 tortillas into the pan. To each tortilla, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the quesadilla filling and spread over 1/2 of the tortilla. Top the mixture with light grated cheese and fold the empty side of the tortilla over. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the tortilla is toasted. Then flip the tortilla over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until the tortilla is toasted. Repeat this with all remaining tortillas and quesadilla mixture. Serve quesadillas with a side of salsa, and voila!